In this video, I am backtesting the Donchian Zig-Zag indicator by LuxAlgo. In their YouTube short, they say that this one secret indicator gives us perfect areas to buy and sell in any market. For this strategy, we are going to use the Bitcoin chart on the 1-hour time frame, and we are going to need one indicator. First, go to TradingView, search for Donchian Zig-Zag by LuxAlgo, and add this indicator to your chart. Now we are going to change the settings from our indicator. Go to the settings, open the Style tab, and uncheck the box Lines. Now let's take a look at our trading rules. Let's first start with the conditions for entering a long trade. So let me show you an example. There are multiple ways of how to use this indicator, but in this backtest, I want to make it super simple. First, we need to see that the zigzag line is rising, and second, the price needs to close bearish below the white line. We will not enter into a long position as long as we see only wicks below the line, or the close below the line is bullish. Here we can see that the candle closed bearish below the rising line, so we will enter into a long position, and we do not use a stop loss. We will exit this trade only when we see the line starts printing downwards. Here we can see that the line is printed downwards. We wait for the candle to be closed and exit our trade in the next candle. Let me show you one more example for entering a long position. Here we can see that the line starts to be printed upwards, so we wait for a bearish candle to be closed below this line. There we go. We enter a long position again, no stop loss, and we are exiting our trade as the line is printed downwards and the candle is closed. We can see that we made a move of 5.2%, and as we are using 2% of our account for each trade, we multiply it with 2, so we made a profit of 10.4%. The opposite works when we are looking to enter a short position. First, we need to see that the zigzag line is printed downwards, and second, the price needs to close bullish above the white line. We will not enter into a short position as long as we see only wicks above the line, or the close above the line is bearish. Here we can see that the candle closed bullish above the decreasing line, so we will enter into a short position. And we do not use a stop loss. We will exit this trade only when we see the line starts to be printed upwards again. Here, we can see that the line is rising. We wait for the candle to be closed and exit our trade in the next candle. Let me show you one more example for entering a short position. Here we can see that the line starts to be printed downwards, so we wait for a bullish candle to be closed above this line. There we go. We enter a short position again, no stop loss, and we are exiting our trade as the line is printed upwards and the candle is closed. We can see that we made a move of 2.5%, and as we are using 2% of our account per each trade, we multiply it with 2, so we made a profit of 5%. Okay guys, now you know the trading rules. Let's do the back testing. I will put in all the trade results into the Trader's Edge app while showing you the 100 trades that I have found in my back testing. My initial balance is $1,000 and as always, we are using a risk of 2% for each trade, so I multiply the percent move with 2. Okay, we finally finished our back testing. These 100 setups were found within more than 10 months. We started our account with $1,000 and we were risking 2% for each trade. We see the win rate of 56% and we made a P&L of 134%. We started with $1,000 and after 100 trades, we were able to grow our account to $2,400. Our largest profit trade was 34.4% and our largest loss trade was 32.9%. We had 8 consecutive wins and 4 consecutive losses. This strategy is super risky, and we can see that there were big spikes in our account size, but overall, a very promising strategy. If you want to learn my best strategies for trading crypto, forex, stocks, or indices, check out one of these videos.